Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hires Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the Dodge Challenger 2023 Black Ghost Special Edition. People ask me, why do they call it the Black Ghost? Well, back in the early 70s, the muscle car racing era was at its peak, and there was nowhere it was more at its peak at than in Detroit. Godfrey Qualls had a 1970 Dodge Challenger with a 426 Hemi engine. It was painted black, the engine was black, this car would show up, he would dominate the street racing scene, then he would speed off into the night, disappear for months at a time. In 1975, the car disappeared, never to be seen again. Dodge is very proud about this Challenger. You're going to notice in the front the Dodge emblem in chrome lettering spread out along the front edge there, the bright white racing stripe along the back, the Challenger emblem again in chrome and script, and the SRT on black on the left-hand side of the grille there. The designers started out with your standard run-of-the-mill SRT Hellcat Red Eye, complete with the wide body kit, allowing those 11-inch wheels and nearly 12 inches of tire to fit underneath, giving you a proper contact patch to get that power down to the ground. One of the great features of this racing machine are the 20x11 satin carbon warp speed wheels. They're going to be wrapped with Pirelli Z-rated racing tires. The braking system is an SRT Brembo braking system, black painted 6-piston calipers, 2-piece slotted rotors. Stop this thing on a dime. I hope you enjoyed the 2023 Black Ghost as much as I did. To see other videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, and to see this car, come visit us at Boniface Hires Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida.